Let's place some symbols now on our power schematic, now that we have some wires already placed. On the Schematic tab, I will choose the Insert Symbol button. The Insert Symbol button shows me the last type symbol that I used and the default orientation. I will choose Other Symbol to bring me to my symbol library. It's broken into multiple classifications that come with the software that you can browse through. Now it's only showing us the types of symbols that will work on a schematic type diagram. Not single line diagram symbols, but multi-wire type symbols. You can also filter through this list just like anything else in the software and type in a symbol name. So if I'm looking for a type of symbol, I can do it by name or description. So if I know it's a magnetothermal circuit breaker, or if it's something with 2 poles, I can type in the description field and easily find the symbol that I'm looking for out of the 1,000 or so symbols that are in the software. So locate the symbol you wish and say select. And then you can go ahead and place the symbol wherever you wish on the schematic. Now this is a 2-pole symbol, so I'm going to put it across 2 wires. It will then ask me for a mark number to automatically associate this with. In another lesson, we talk about how to actually associate this with information that's already on the single line diagram. In this particular scenario, I'm going to choose Q4 and say OK, without adding any manufacturer part information to it. And there is the symbol. Now let's insert another symbol. It gives you the last used symbol, which I'll place right here. And here I can actually go to the Manufacturer Parts and Circuits tab and notice that it shows me 2 different types of circuits. There are circuit breaker, switch type circuits. When I search for a manufacturer part to associate this with, it's going to look for parts that match that criteria. So if I were to pick something from, let's say, Schneider Electric, and do a search, finds anything related to Schneider Electric. And here I have this part number 24494, and it has 2 circuits and they turn green, indicating that the circuits match the manufacturer item. I can go to the properties of the manufacturer item directly from here and see the association here. You also see the terminal numbers as called out from Schneider Electric, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll go ahead and add that again. Hit the plus sign to use it and select it, and you see that it's associated here, and I say OK. So by associating a manufacturer part with a symbol, we see the actual terminal numbers and description on the symbol. Now you don't need to show all of these things on the symbol all the time. You can right-click on the symbol and choose the Attributes option and turn on or off anything you wish, simply by unchecking or checking any of these default options that you see here. To group them, you can go into Edit Attributes, and it gives you the full list which you can work on. You can change color, text style, text angle, justification options. Everything is here, even whether they're shown or not. If you copy and paste a symbol by using standard Windows clipboard operations, right-click on the symbol and choose Copy, and then Paste by a right-click, you will notice that it gives me the next available mark number and the symbol, already with the manufacturer database information. To edit symbols, you can edit an existing symbol that you see here on your screen, or go to the symbol library. So if you want to make a change to the symbol that you see here, perhaps you want to show the mark number in blue and at an angle, I can go to Symbol, Open Symbol, choose the tag, go to the properties of it by right mouse clicking on it, change it to the color blue, and change the angle so it shows up like that. Other things that you might want to look at while you're in the symbol editor are the types of connections that are on the symbol, and this is really the most important thing to understand about symbols. Notice that there are 2 circuits called circuit breaker, switch type circuits. These allow these circuit numbers to match the manufacturer part item. So if you're to drop them in, right-click the symbol in the symbol structure browser and choose New Circuit. I'll call it circuit number 1, pick the type of circuit that it should be, and tell it whether it's connectable or disconnectable. And there it is. Now I can add connection points. I'll choose an incoming or outgoing connection point, and I'll place it. Now I can rotate them around by right mouse clicking, and it will rotate it for me, and I can place where I want to put a symbol. I'll just delete those by clicking on them and hitting delete on the keyboard. Now, let me close the symbol. It will ask me to save it. Notice that the symbol has not updated yet, though. So to update a symbol, right-click on it and choose the Update option. Now, it will look through your project and see if there are any other symbols that are identical. So I can choose Identical in Current Drawing, and you see they're all up to date now.